review. So sorry that it took a while. So I'm reviewing some products from Kiko Milano. So I got a lot of cool stuff that I'm dying to try here. And I love the packaging of some of the boxes and things like that. So let's get into the video. First, I have the Bright Quadrant Baked Eyeshadow Palette here. Love the packaging. Ooh, very nice. And it's soft too. Very pigmented. And this palette I think I could use for, you know, some nice natural looks and things like that. But it's really pigmented, soft, and it's really compact. And it seems like it has a lot in it. See some of the colors here. Very nice, very nice. Next, what I'm going to grab out of my beautiful black bag is the Intense Color Matte Lipstick in the number 2. The first thing I love is that packaging. That red is so sexy. When I pull it out, pop it in, it's magnetic. So let's see how that bullet looks. Wow. I really how professional the packaging is, and this is a really nice, you know, simple color right here. Pop that in there. Let's see what's next in this bag. The long lasting eye cream. It's good for 8 hours, non-transferable eyeshadow. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a little cyber baby blue going on here. Wow, that's really pigmented. That's beautiful. Can't wait to use that. Let's see what else is next. Pack that up. Next, what I have here is another intense color in the number 12, and it's a matte liquid lipstick. It's like a nice blue. Let's see how it comes out on the skin. Wow, that's really nice. And a lot of the products are really pigmented, I've noticed. It's definitely a beautiful color to use. Let's see, pack that up and let's see what else I have in here. It's the Arctic Holiday Blush. Well, the big blush in the number 1. Let's open it. Ooh, it has a cute little sack. How cute. Let's see. Pop that open right here. Alright, packaging still gorgeous. Ooh, that is really nice. And let me just double check here. I think it's also a highlighter as well. Nope, it's just a big blush. So that's really nice and really cute to use. Let's see, pack that up, see what else I have in here. Let's see, another long-lasting eyeshadow stick in the number 15. And let's see what color it is. Okay, this one is like a baby, like pink or a lightish pink. And let's see how it transfers on skin. Oh wow, that's also a nice one, and definitely gonna have some fun with that. Let's see, pop that. And what else do we have in here? Ooh, another intense color lipstick. Again, the packaging, love it. It's like, wow. The color, that burgundy wine red. Oh, I love those colors. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Let's see, what else do I have in here? is another intense color in the number 4, and it's in like a brownish burgundy. Like, it's a bit different than the other one. That one has a more brown undertone, and that one, wow, that looks really nice. I have a lot of fall colors. I love those colors, like the wine, the burgundy colors. Let's see, another eyeliner here, and let's see how it comes out. Oh wow, it's really a fine liner. You could draw with it, see what you could do with that. A lot of these products are really nice, and I could really test them, you know, out to see what I could do, how creative I could go with it. Let's see, pop that in. Oh, another one right here. It's the Into the Dark eye pencil. All right, let me see what's going on here. Oh, okay, it's one of those eye pencils right here. Actually, let's see how dark it could get. Oh wow, okay, that's good in one swatch. Let's see. Alright, we got more products in here. Another lipstick from the Arctic Holiday Collection. Oh wow, this packaging of the lipstick is different and it's shiny. Oh, it's like a purplish color right here, and the number for that one is in the number 4. Let's see how it comes out. Wow, very nice, very nice. I love those purples. Let's see in my bag. So another like lip brushes that I just decided to get. See where I could go with there, and it's like the double one. So one with the like the forky edge right here, and then let's see, it's really soft. Wow, okay. And then like the regular one at the end right here, really nice. I just love the packaging of these products. See another one. Oh, another bullet. This one I didn't have a box, but I couldn't wait to use that one. That was a nice brown over there with like a hint of pink. So a lot of these products are really good, and I'm going to try them.